Hello, my name is James, and in this video I want to talk about how people on the autism spectrum struggle with anxiety, and I want to talk about a really helpful solution that I've learned in a way that reduces anxiety. And the thing I've learned is that there'll be times where you want to read some self-help books, maybe involve yourself in a religion. I'm not really talking about any specific religion or anything, and I'm not going to talk about religion or any specific kind of organization, any kind of motivational group in specific. But I find when you involve yourself in any kind of organization, self-help or self-help books, or involve any kind of motivational groups where you get motivated to live a more fulfilling life and success, or live more peaceful lives. There's a thing I want to caution, and this thing that I want to caution that I will talk about is a very important way to help improve your ability to let go of anxiety. And that is, many self-help groups, many religions, or spiritual motivational speakers, or any kind of motivational speakers for success will a lot of times talk about how to achieve peace on long term. In other words, they will talk about achieve this, and this will guarantee a more peaceful, less fear-based, less anxiety type life in the future. And some of these things that all these kind of groups talk about are great, and they will be helpful. And you might find that it'll be helpful for you, and I strongly encourage you to follow through on it. However, I really want to caution the fact that a lot of these things are long-term, and you're not going to feel peaceful immediately, and that's fine. But the thing I really want to caution is that when you look at it in the mindset of long-term, there's a really easy chance that this will create more anxiety, because you'll now feel like you got to do more additional work in the present moment that will make you feel more anxiety in the present moment instead of less, because you'll now feel like you got to do a lot more additional work in order to reduce the anxiety in the future. And that could create more pressure to want to do things, guilt, and there's the danger that can cause more anxiety in the present moment. So basically, what do you do when you read about solutions or hear about solutions, but it involves long term? Well, keep doing it. I encourage you to keep doing these techniques. However, don't get so attached to trying to achieve these long-term goals that it will create more anxiety now. Instead, enjoy the now moment. Instead, make the enjoyment of the now moment more important. When you do these techniques that any kind of motivational speaker or books tell you, just be happy that you're doing it. Even if you don't end up achieving these goals, make what you're doing now fun. If you enjoy what you're doing now, even if it's not a goal that you'll achieve in the future, if you allow yourself to have fun now, that's important. That will help you reduce anxiety now. Another thing I want to encourage too is read about books or motivational speakers or any kind of practice, religion, whatever, that you find will give you more peace now, that will help you get rid of anxiety now. Learn more about things that will help you reduce anxiety now instead of long term. You know, do both. But I strongly encourage to really focus on learning techniques that could help you reduce anxiety now. I made a lot of videos where I talk about a lot of things on how to reduce anxiety now, and I would encourage you to check them out. Try not to get too worked up on trying to achieve long-term goals and to not let that create more anxiety. All right, well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have anything that you want to share in regards to this, or have any ideas of future topics for other future videos, let me know in the comments. Let everybody else know in the comments, and I'm going to be posting more videos where I'm going to be talking more about how to let go of anxiety too. And obviously it's something that everybody wants to learn more about. So I promise you I'm going to be posting more videos about this. So definitely subscribe if you haven't, and keep watching out for new videos. All right, well, thanks for watching, and have a great day.